EOS, ladies and gentlemen, we have this mobile application going to be launched soon. But what is EOS, honestly? So EOS, we are selling services only. Okay, services in such a way that we are educating people all about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance. So technically, we are ed tech or educational technology, right? Now, AOS-CIO, the word AOS means dawn, and then CIO, it means to learn or to learn new things, right? So AOS-CIO Technologies is an innovative education technology company registered in Dubai, guided by its own mission of driving new age knowledge. AOS-CIO is the corporate entity behind AOS Hub, a next generation mobile learning platform that combines knowledge, community, and smart digital tools in one ecosystem. Now, the goal of AOS-IO, ladies and gentlemen, 12 months from now will become blockchain technology, and our main goal is to become among the top 10 exchangers on the planet. How are we going to do it? We have to build community, and we need to educate people about the $1 trillion industry, which is the decentralized finance. Okay, moving forward, this is our humble application. We are going to do it by Google Play and then Huawei and then iOS. Okay, so everything will be downloaded soon. And inside the application, you can see there the knowledge library access, tiered learning rewards, mentorship and community growth, knowledge builder bonuses, and then leadership pathways. Now, okay, so here we are. We have the 6 ways to earn. Okay, the knowledge contribution, which is you have a passive income, 0.5% every day. Leadership bonus, spin credit subscription, reward bonus, raffle draw unilevel, and then lottery draw unilevel. So we are going to discuss every single details on this. Let's start. So our minimum entry is just the tier 1, which is the $15. So why $15? Because we wanted to cater any walks of life, right? Even if you are just a garbage man, if you want to change your future 180 degree, it will happen. All you have to do is to work with EOS. Now, regarding this $15, the $5 becomes the learning bolt. So it's not going to earn anything, the $5. But the $10 itself, that is the one that will earn 0.5% daily knowledge dividend, right? Now, every single tier, it has its own different packages. And what they are buying here is the module or the electronic books. From the beginner or the basic knowledge in crypto industry up until you become a profitable trader in the future. If you wanted to become profitable trader, we can definitely teach you how to do it. All right? Our highest package is just $1,500. As you can see, we are not an investment company. Okay? We are just educating people all about the crypto world. Okay? Now, there is a leadership bonus. The first earning is the knowledge dividend, which is 0.5% daily. The second is the leadership bonus. How does it works? Now, with minimum $15 up to tier 7, you can become tier 7. Okay? The requirement for the reward bonus of this leadership is highly depends with 2 things. The first one is the group sales volume. The second one is the working line or the working leg. So from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, even if you have working line at least one, you can definitely earn up to 15% from your group sales daily profit. Once you become tier 4, it only means you have $5,000 group sales volume under your organization, and it will require you to have at least 2 tier 3 under your organization. From there, you can earn 20% from your group sales daily profit. Once you become tier 5, it means $15,000 group sales volume and then at least 3 tier 4 mentor level. Then you can now enjoy 25% daily from your group sales profit. For you to become tier 6, you need $75,000 group sales volume plus 4 tier 5. From there, you can earn 35%. And the highest is the tier 7 or the master mentor. You need total group sales volume of $250,000 with 5 tier 6 community leader rank under your organization. It must be 5 different line for you to enjoy the 45% daily profit from your daily group sales profit. Right now, from the country manager, those who are leaders inside the Zoom right now, if you are a country manager, therefore you are earning 60% infinity level. Under the country manager, there is the core leaders, which are the special accounts from country manager, core leader, and then the leader. All right. Later on, we will discuss everything on that. Those core leaders, country managers, and leaders are on special account. It only means that there will be no breakaway from it. Okay? So these are the 2 ways to earn. For now, again, especially for all the Solong members. Again, I will repeat. Specifically for all the Solong members, you can definitely sign up on our pre-registration link and automatically your account will be activated. No need for you to get money out on your pocket. All you have to do is to sign up and immediately your account will be activated, but it is not funded. I hope everything is clear. Your account will be activated but not funded. It only means that the moment the system is up by the end of November, okay, because the pre-signing up is up until the end of this month, November 30 only. After November 30, from there, all entries will start with tier 1 level. Right now, if you are a country manager, you can offer to your member the tier 5 immediately. All they have to do is to sign up. At least they are going to earn 25% immediately as tier 5. Or if you are willing to give your leaders, because it's up to you, if you give your leaders under your organization the tier 7 account, it's up to you as a country manager or core leader or leader, right? You can give them tier 5, tier 6, tier 7, it doesn't matter. All their account will be activated. Even if they don't have yet the total group sales volume, even if they don't have yet the working line, it doesn't matter. That's what we call privilege for all the Solong members and to all the early birds. Even if you are not a Solong member, you can definitely sign up. Okay, that is your privilege as an early bird positioning on our system. Now, moving forward, we already discussed the 2 ways of earning. The first one is the passive income, 0.5% every day, and then the leadership bonus. What about the third one? The third one is what we call spin credit contribution. How does it work? I will explain to you. here. Okay. All right. So from $15, for example, minimum entry is the $15. The $5 becomes the learning bolt. It's not going to earn anything. All right. Now, the one that is going to earn is the $10. This $10 multiplied to 0.5% every day, then daily, the $10 is going to earn 5 cents every day times 30 days. Okay, times 30 days, you are earning $1.5 every month. Okay, what about this $1.5 monthly? You have two options. We have this what we so-called compounding. So the first option, you can compound the $1.5 every 10 days. We have compounding. If you have minimum $1.5 on your account, then every 10 days you can definitely compound. Now the second option, you have this what we so-called subscription with spin credit contribution. The moment you subscribe, every 30 days you need to subscribe. Why? Because there is a unilevel bonus on that. You can only gain the unilevel bonus if you are a subscriber on the spin credit contribution. And how much is the potential income on that? I'll show you right now. Okay. The moment you subscribe with spin credit contribution amounting of 1.50 centavo in dollar, you will be getting as well one lottery ticket. How are you going to get a lot of lottery ticket or raffle draw? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, our minimum withdrawal is $5. Okay? Minimum withdrawal, again, let me explain it to you. Okay. The minimum withdrawal is this, $5. Okay, $5 minimum withdrawal, and then there will be a 10% tax. The good news is that this tax will not go to any entity. It will stay on your system dashboard. However, the 10% becomes raffle ticket. Okay, it will become raffle ticket, the 0.5% or 0.50 centavo rather. That's the 10% of minimum withdrawal, $5. And when does the raffle draw and the lottery will start? It will start 6 months from now. Okay, it will start 6 months from now. Now, the good news is that this one, once you subscribe with spin credit contribution and all your downline subscribe with spin credit contribution, there is what we so-called unilevel bonus. It will start on your 6th level up to 15th level deep. Again, the unilevel bonus for the spin credit contribution or the subscription, it will start from 6th level to 15th level deep. Every time there is a subscription under your organization, each person or member, you are going to earn 0.086 centavo per person. So from here, the simulation is this, duplication of 2. Meaning you are going to get 2 directs and then your 2 directs will get 2 under them and so on. Duplication by 2. Guess what? From 6th level down to 15th level deep, approximately you have 65,000 community unconsciously. Okay, after after 30 days or couple of months from now, at least you can definitely gather 65,000 people on your 6th level down to 15th level deep, and each of that person or people under your organization, you are going to earn times 0.086 or 8 centavo each person. Then definitely every 30 days, because the subscription is every 30 days. So every 30 days, you are going to earn minimum $5,590 every month. The idea is very simple. They don't need to get $1.50 out of their pocket. That $1.50 came from their daily passive income. Okay? All they have to do is to subscribe the daily profit, which is monthly $1.5. It came from their passive income on their account. All they have to do is to subscribe every 30 days. All right? Now, moving forward, what if you build power of 3 directs, or meaning duplication of 3, not only 2? Guess what? The numbers is very clear. From 6th level up to 15th level deep, imagine how huge community you can build with just the minimum $15 entry, with buying the packages and learning the cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance. Guess what? Every month or every 30 days, you can definitely earn at least $1.7 million every 30 days. Why every 30 days? Because again, the $1.5 is not coming out on their pocket. It's coming from their monthly passive income. All they have to do is to use it and become a lottery ticket. What will happen if your downline subscribe on the spin credit contribution and you did not subscribe? There is what we so-called dynamic compression. So all of the earnings on your Unilevel goes right away to your upline. So you have to subscribe. Being the grand upline, I highly advise, if you are a country manager, core leader, or leader, guys, you have all the authority to give all your members from your previous team, let them sign up and activate their account as soon as possible. Build your community as much as you can until the 30th of November. Because once the system is there is no going back. It is clear that you can have these numbers, whether you like it or not. You can definitely earn on this. How much is this $1.7 million? Even 10% of it is $17,000. Even if you earn at least $20,000 monthly, that's still huge amount of money. Right? Now moving forward, what's next? We have this reward bonus on 20 level only. Again, this is the 4th ways to earn the reward bonus on the 20 level only. Okay? Once you are tier 5, this is applicable only on tier 5, tier 6, tier 7, and so on. If you are tier 4, you are not going to enjoy the reward bonus yet. You need to become tier 5 for you to enjoy the reward bonus. But your account must be funded at least minimum $15. Once your account is funded minimum $15, your people under your organization, if you choose to build duplication of 2, guess what? On your 20 level deep, you have 1,048,576 people under your organization, and unconsciously you build this kind of community unconsciously. Now imagine every single people joining on the 20 level under your organization. Each one of them, you are earning $1, $1, $1, $1. I will explain further. It works like this. All right. Where is that? For example, this one. Okay, for example, on your 20 level deep only. Okay, focus on 20 level deep. Under your organization, someone purchase a package, minimum $15. Out of $15, the company is going to get the $1 out of $15, and it will immediately going to become a reserve fund for your reward bonus on your 20 level deep. So the remaining profit of the company is $14, and then this $14 is going to become traded by our team asset management. Okay? So we have a crypto trader in-house in our company. All right? And then this trader is going to provide 40% monthly profit on our company fund. All right? Now, moving forward, the first 5,000 members, for example, on your 20 level league, you have approximately 1 million plus members under your organization if you choose a duplication of 2. Okay? But under your 20 level league, focus on your 20 level league. The first 5,000 members, okay, first 5,000 members, each of them you earn how much? $1 each. Okay? If you earn $1 each, therefore you have $5,000 as well coming out on your first 5,000 members. Now, guess what? This $5,000, you can the company will give it to you as for you to use as a car down payment. So all you have to do is to choose your own SUV car. That's why there is an incentive of car incentives for your car down payment. First 5,000 members is convertible into cash. $5,000, you can choose an SUV. Once your SUV car is already fully paid, the next reward will become house and lot. So it doesn't matter if you are on a different country, we are going to deliver this reward through your wallet, all right? Through your wallet, and you have to buy the SUV, you have to buy the car, the house incentives. So this is the fourth ways to earn. And then the fifth ways to earn is the what we so-called EOS Community Knowledge Spin. So EOS GameFi, which is the raffle draw. And then this raffle draw again, ladies and gentlemen, will start 6 months from now. Now, come to think of this. Every single withdrawal, 10% becomes raffle ticket or spin credit. All you have to do is to use that 10% raffle ticket or spin credit on our gaming side, which is the raffle draw and lottery draw. Now, on the spin credit or raffle draw, which is the fifth ways to earn. Okay. This is the computation on this. The ticket and bonus overview, this will be rolled out 6 months from now. Now, every single ticket value of 0.50 centavo in dollar, you can join on the raffle draw. The raffle draw is very simple. How does it work? It works like this. The draw is every 10 minutes. Global, 24/7. All you have to do is to choose from number 1 to number 45. You have to choose 2 combination number. For example, what you choose is the number 8 and the number 28. If the 2 combination number 8 and 28 becomes the winning number, you can definitely earn $100 instantly. It will goes to your wallet. The draw is every 10 minutes inside our own application. All right? Now, what in it for you? Why are you going to, why are you going to push your downline to participate on the gaming with the raffle draw and the lottery draw? Because eventually you are going to earn on the uni-level. For example, being the country manager, core leader, and leader, or having an extraordinary account, which is the tier 7, tier 6, tier 5. Guys, those accounts are very powerful because you can build 50,000 members community within the next 6 months. And assuming only 1% of that, 50,000 are joining the draw, and the draw is every 10 minutes. Guess what? I'll show you the computation. From first level down to 10th level deep, if you have 50,000 members that you build within the next 6 months, only 1% are joining the raffle draw. So times 1%, therefore you have 500 members joining the draw every single draw, every 10 minutes. And every person under your organization, you are going to earn times 0.017 cent every draw. Okay? Every draw, every ticket, you are going to earn 0.17 cent. Okay? Times. Okay. So definitely, every 10 minutes, you are earning $8.5 every draw. And that's going to be every 10 minutes. In 1 hour, there is 60 minutes. So if our draw is every 10 minutes, therefore we are going to draw times 6 in 1 hour, you are earning $51 every hour. Just the raffle draw unilevel itself. Times 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, you can earn $1,224 on your unilevel bonus with the raffle draw. Times 30 days, guess what? You can earn at least $36,720 every month on the raffle draw unilevel only. We are not yet talking about the lottery. The lottery, you can earn up to 15th level deep on the lottery side. We are talking about the raffle draw. What about the company? Can the company really earn on the unilevel? Of course, yes. Let me show you. Now, here is our projection within the next 6 months, because we have Africa, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, Brunei, Japan, UK, India, and Indonesia, including the Philippines. Russia is in. Okay? 11 different countries. 6 months from now, our projection is at least minimum 1 million community are already on. And let's say 1% only joining the raffle draw every 10 minutes. And the ticket value on the raffle draw is $50. And then the platform margin is 10 centavo. The draw is every 10 minutes, 24/7. Now, look, I am going to show you how much is the total payout of the company 6 months from now. If we have 1 million community 6 months from now, and all of them put minimum, let's say, $15. Out of $15, this will become definitely $15 million. But guess what? Out of $15 million, the $5 each, it has not earning. The only one that earning is the $10 million. Okay? So let me repeat that. The one that is going to earn is the $10 million. Now the $10 million, okay? This $10 million, ladies and gentlemen, times 15% monthly from the passive income. So that is going to earn $1.5 million every month payout from the passive income. What about the leadership bonus? So additional 1.5 million on the leadership bonus. So the total payout of the company is how much? That is $3 million. What if the trading asset management or the team asset management get lost their fund? They are being liquidated on the trading. What if? worst comes worst, can the company really sustain the payout monthly of $3 million? The answer, I'll show you. It's definitely yes. How? Here. All right. For example, I think this one is in peso. Is there an explanation for this using dollar? Okay. Yeah, there is one. Okay. All right. I'll explain this one. Okay. For example, 1 million community and only 1% are joining the raffle draw. So the 1% of 1 million is 10,000 community. And all of them are joining the raffle draw. Can the company sustain the payout? Let's see. So, every single raffle ticket amounting to 50 centavo, the company is earning 10 cent every raffle ticket, 10 cent. So, times 0.10 cent. The company is earning every draw $1,000 every 10 minutes. Times 6 draw in 1 hour, the company is earning $6,000 every hour. Times 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, the company is earning $144,000 every day. Times 30 days. Guess what? The company is earning $4.3 million. And how much is the payout? Let's deduct the payout of $3 million. Look, the company is still earning $1.3 million. Even without the trading, 6 months from now, the company can really survive. However, we have the traders on our side, and we are doing future trading, and that's going to be hedging, and the capital is isolated. Okay? Isolated, not centralized. So that's how we do the business together. So the company can really survive for the next generation. This is why I am encouraging every single entity on this planet to join in this. Probably this will become the prominent, prodigy in the industry of MLM. And guess what? For all the Solong members, again, listen, for all the Solong members, if the Solong company will continue, well, good, because we can definitely get back our own capital. What if, worst comes worst, the Solong company did not go back into its foot? Therefore, the AYOS board of directors are very much willing to give up the 12.5% profit share of our company. And we are going to give this 12.5% share to all the Solong members under their organization. For example, you are the country manager and you have big group under your organization from Solong. No problem. Just hop in with AYOS. Help us to build community. Once you help us to build community, if our on the raffle draw, $4.320 million times 12.5%, that's gonna be $540,000. If under your organization, if you are a country manager, under your organization, if how much is your volume sales, the 12.5% monthly earning on the lottery draw, in the raffle draw, we will give it to you. So you can bring back the capital of your members in the Solong community. Again, we are giving 12.5% share from our company. We will give it back to all the Solong members. Not only Solong members, even UMT in the Team India. we can defend all the company that shut down, encourage them to become part of AYOS, and we will give them 12.5% share from their group sales volume. We will give it to them every month for the next 12 months. 12 months, they are going to enjoy the 12.5% profit from their group sales volume. From the lottery, from the trading, from the raffle draw, all the profit, 12.5% goes to you until you bring back your honor, your credibility, and your reputation as leader. We will give it to you. I'm done with the presentation. We can now go ahead with the Q&A, and I will now stop the recording.